Urban Automotive has taken the already bold Lamborghini Urus SE and pushed it into an entirely new league, creating something that feels both factory authentic and dramatically reimagined at the same time. The debut of this wide-body version wasn't limited to just one location. It was revealed at Urban Automotive's headquarters in the United Kingdom, while also making a strong impression in Las Vegas, a city known for its vibrant car culture and deep connection to events like SEMA. From the very first glance, it's clear this isn't just another modified SUV. Urban Automotive approached the build with its signature OEM Plus philosophy, meaning every upgrade feels like it could have come straight from Lamborghini itself, yet with a noticeably more aggressive edge. The development process alone took over 10,000 hours, and that level of dedication is evident in every detail. The exterior transformation is where this build truly shines. Nearly every surface has been redesigned or enhanced using custom, in-house developed carbon fiber components. Up front, a multi-piece carbon fiber splitter combined with sharp canards gives the vehicle a more planted and performance-focused stance. Above that, the redesigned hood features a functional vent system inspired by the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. It incorporates a bold bull-nose design and intricate 3D printed details that echo Lamborghini's signature hexagonal styling. Along the sides, the changes become even more pronounced. The widened wheel arches extend the body by 40 millimeters, giving the Urus a significantly broader and more aggressive stance. Carbon fiber side elements include subtle branding while seamlessly blending with Lamborghini's design language. Even the side sills pay homage to the legendary Lamborghini Miura, merging modern performance with classic inspiration. At the rear, the transformation continues with a completely reworked bumper. A large exposed carbon fiber diffuser, paired with aerodynamic canards, adds both visual drama and a more aggressive finish. One of the most striking features is the layered rear spoiler, creating a double-stacked effect that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamic presence. The quad exhaust system further amplifies the overall look, giving the SUV a more purposeful, performance-driven identity. The entire setup sits on specially designed Urban Vossen wheels, perfectly filling out the widened stance and maintaining balanced proportions despite the aggressive bodywork. Every element feels intentional, never excessive, which is what truly sets this build apart from typical aftermarket projects. Inside, customization is key. Urban Automotive offers fully bespoke interior options, allowing owners to tailor materials, colors, and finishes to match their personal style. The result is a cabin that feels just as unique as the exterior. What makes this build especially compelling is how it stays true to Lamborghini's core design DNA while still pushing boundaries. It doesn't feel like a disconnected aftermarket project. Instead, it feels like a natural evolution of the original concept, taken further than the factory would typically go. Starting at $51,800 for the full conversion, this package is clearly aimed at buyers who want something exclusive and attention-grabbing. And for those looking to stand out, this wide-body Urus delivers a level of presence that's impossible to ignore.